Well, students, I want to go over questions 5 and 6 on the assignment. So we had some questions on there. So when we go through it, I just want to start with the first thing. So if I look at this, find the surface here, so we're going to find the bottom part. So the bottom part is a circle, so we're finding this surface down here. So we know it has a radius of 2, so we go pi times my radius squared plus. Then I want to go ahead and find the area of the cylinder, which would just be my circumference. So that would be 2 times pi times my radius of 2 times 1.5 plus, now what we want to do is just the lateral area of a cone. So that would be 1/2 times your radius, 2 times pi times your radius of 2. Now what we need to do is we need to find this slant height. We know this perpendicular height, so we go 2 squared plus, and we know this height right here is 1.5 squared equals x squared. So that would be 4 plus 15 times 15 is 15. 15 is 625, so 1.5 squared is equal to 225. There we go. 2.25, which equals x squared, so that's 6.25 x squared, then take the square root of that. So this would be 2.5. And so we go ahead and do that. Then once we get this, then we go times 2.5. So we come down here, this would be 4 pi plus 4 times that would be 4. So it would be 6 pi plus 1/2 of 2 cancels. So this would be 2, this would be 5 pi. So this would be 15 pi. And 15 times pi is 47.15 times pi is 47.1. So it would be 47.1 meters squared. So I just break it down into sections. So again, we have the circle, the area of the bottom, then we have the lateral area of the circle, and then we have the lateral area of the cone for this one. We broke it into 3 sections. For the last one, we start through here. Okay, so first thing we want this base area down here. So that's 11 times 11. So that's the area of the base. Plus, then we want to find this surface, this surface, this surface, and this. That would be the lateral area of this rectangular prism. So it would be the perimeter. So 11, 11, 11, 11. So this would be 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11, or 44, times the height of 20, plus, okay, and then we go 1/2. And again, so we want this cone on, or excuse me, this pyramid on top. We want the lateral area of that. So it'd be, again, 11 plus 11 plus 11, so that 44 times my slant height of 12. And so we go times 12. So 11 times 11 is 121 plus 44 times 20 is 880 plus 1/2 of, so this would be 22 times 12 is 264. So if you add 121 and then 264, 16, 8, 12, should be 1,265 inches squared. So again, break it down into different parts as you look through it.